I don't think I've ever seen a photo of a bird looking this miserable before. So about a week or so ago, I was up in England photographing some raptors, and on one rainy day I decided to head out with my camera to try and see if I could photograph some birds in the rain. As I was walking along this estuary, I suddenly spotted this kestrel perched in a tree, and I couldn't help but feeling bad for him. And as I was photographing him, I decided to have a slightly slower shutter speed to try and capture the motion of the rain as it was falling around him. And I think the shot turned out looking really cool, so here it is, and I really hope you enjoy. Rain.